No, this bitch is buckle, huh?
No,
say it.
No, it's not.
I feel it.
No, it's not.
That one I was coming. Say, do better.
Back with another video. Today we doing the loose seatbelt prank and my 150. Let's get to it. Now we back. We gotta unscrew all these bolts. Oh, hope I don't break that bin. Hold up. We back. I just did it. I just did all 4 of them. About that time. Oh yeah, it's up. And then Vontae.
Bear. Come on, Bear.
You ugly as a bitch. What Dylan does? Tell Dylan come on.
Hey, fat ass.
Yeah, son.
What you about to get into, son?
Go to a football bank.
When your next game?
7-on-7.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go to New Orleans this week, but that got canceled.
That got canceled.
But I think next we got Arkansas. I don't know though.
Tell Dylan come on, son.
We got to see though. Alright, big, keep your head up though, big.
Alright. We finna go to. How was that?
Damn.
I know you fucking lying.
What you mean, son?
I know you fucking lying.
What you mean, son?
Son, you aggravating.
Oh my God. You childish. You childish. You childish.
Oh, I swear to God. Oh, I ain't think it was gonna work like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you should get wheels in it. Shit. Nigga, your shit is coming apart.
I know. I did that, nigga. This ain't no vlog. Nigga, scoot in the middle. You ready, son? You ready? Hey, I just got a tune on this bitch. You ready? Alright.
Bro, I'm finna beat, bro. I'm finna beat the fuck out you, bro.
Who my hood?
The fuck? There's not no fucking tune. That's my. Damn.
Son, what you mean?
Fuck. This shit hurt.
Son, what you mean?
Fuck wrong with you, boy? There's not no fucking tune.
That is a tune, son. You don't feel it?
God damn.
Take you out your seat type. You not fucking with us, son?
Fuck no.
Why not? That be hard. Hey, you gotta feel this bitch, son. Hey, that tune's something serious, boy. Look, I'm about to show you.
No, this bitch is buckle, huh?
No,
say it.
No, it's not.
I feel it.
No, it's not.
Oh, my phone fell. Y'all childish as a bitch, oh God. Childish as a bitch.
Son, what you
I felt they be no buckle, so I tried to y'all some hoes on God.
He wait, he kept fucking moving. Bro, nigga childish, man. Bro.
Y'all childish.
Oh, the seats go. Like, you gotta try to squeeze that bit.
Push on the brakes, eh?
Bro, guess what? I wasn't recording and I did Kermit.
Oh my God.
I was mad.
Kermit was stupid.
Hey, that nigga Kermit said, do it again, it's fun. Nigga weird, bro.
Stop holding on, son.
Stop holding.
Nigga lame,
son.
I fuck I'm lame because I don't want to get my fucking, I don't want to hit my damn head.
So I'm mad I didn't record Kermit.
That's fucked up. Don't put this shit in that fucking video. That's fucked up.
I'm gonna do my mama next.
For real? She gonna get on your ass.
She gonna be so. She might fuck around.
Daryl, I ain't gonna lie, I got a better girl with you.
Okay, I got a better girl with you.
Bitch, I ain't too much. Boy, fuck you. Now you getting the first bitch.
What, nigga?
So how this go?
Just put your nigga. What the fuck you got your seatbelt on, nigga? We coming right back.
It's a
Take your
tune.
seatbelt off.
Take that nigga. Take your seatbelt off.
You gotta feel it, nigga. Take your seatbelt off.
Put my shit on. What we feeling? Putting my shit on the phone. I'm about to show you. Hey. Y'all think that shit funny? Y'all think that shit funny, yo? I bet you want to scuff though.
Get out right now, buddy.
Hey.
Get the fuck out the way.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, get me out this car, dude. Hey, did I hit him? Yeah. So the tone stuff, huh? Tell him. The dog better move. Say, chill. So what you mean? Not the dish, they gonna pick him up, but. Hey, this is funny.
Come on, go get your dancing, go.
Man, come on, dude. Hey, you stay in the car. Get out. Hey, boy, get out. No, not get out. Get in the back. So this is part of the TikTok. Yeah, get in the back. Nigga, we not in no fucking ain't no track hawk. Oh shit, dude, stop. Push it back in here. Hold him because he's gonna come down. Call Dante, said we on the way.
Are you serious?
You really got a tune though?
Call that bitch.
Oh
Dante.
no. Ain't no tune, man.
We on the way, little bit.
Who that was?
We on. Alright.
Hey, tell her that.
You can't tell at least.
Sure. Hey, one of y'all can get in the front seat and feel it. You get in the front seat. That's a little far. Come on, do better. Hey, this bitch move. Do better. This bitch moving. What you mean? You come right behind her. All right. Like you need to do better. You should have unlocked the door when I was coming. Say, do better.
Oh, you dirty as a bitch, man.
Oh shit. Man, what the fuck the back is? Who you talking to? Man, lift me up in this bitch, brother. Damn, you about wrong as a bitch. I still can't get up. I'ma have to hop out this bitch. I might go drop him off. You can't sit back there with y'all. Man, what the fuck, son? You gotta do LA next. That stupid ass gonna talk about them. You gotta do better. That's what fuck you talking about. I gotta ride like this, son. Hey, hurry up and fix it. Oh shit, that shit hurt. Put your bitch back. Alright. You gotta do it, son. Think about it. She gon'. Hey, don't say nigga. This bitch too fun. They be like, this bitch fun. I was just telling that bitch. This bitch moving in as fun as a bitch. Hey man, we found the orange fan on side the road. We had to taste some. No, what? That bitch wasn't, no, it wasn't open though. Like it was a fresh new one, but that bitch wasn't like hot. How the fuck you open the door? Oh, this shit is cool. Hey, LA, this shit moving. Come try it. That bitch moving. Come try it. Come here. Say what's down to my vlog, son.
I can't get on the
We been vlogging all day. What you mean?
What's wrong with your head, nigga?
What's wrong with you? I'm gonna call her. That's my mom. Hold on. What's wrong with your head?
What the fuck? Son, you got me fucked up in this bitch, man. Hold on. Hey! Man, stop this fucking car, son.
Nigga.
Stop the fucking car.
Help this nigga say.
Man, I should have knew something was fucking up when you said get in the front.
Nigga, we in the vlog, son.
Son. So chill out, son.
What you mean?
Man, this nigga. Man, chill out.
He's sitting in the edges. Hey, he's smart. Come on, son, why you doing this? Son, you gotta feel it. Just fall back, it's fun.
Nigga, no the fuck it's not. Nigga, what the fuck?
How is not?
Cause I just fucking did it.
Don't. Look at the cars on here, man.
God damn. God damn!
What did he win? He probably left. I'm scared, bro. Here she go. What you got clothes on under there?
Where is that?
I said you here, you gotta get in.
Here what?
The tapping noise, you gotta get in. Where your clothes at? You hear when you drive.
You got a warranty, you might have to take it to the shop.
No, I'm about to whoop your motherfucking ass. Because what the fuck is wrong with y'all say? Oh my... Get me the fuck out this car. You know, I don't even like riding with you. I'm about to fuck you up. Oh, you got me, okay. I'm gonna fuck you up. Oh, that's ice cream.
That's
I didn't know they sell ice cream. It look delicious too. Bro, what the fuck did you do to your face? That's a good joke. That's a good joke, but for real though.
Oh, you just unscrewed. I'm about to screw them back.
Oh my God, bro. Wait till Adrian see this. Oh my God. Oh my God. The boy that laid up there and got a nigga flipping backwards.
I did it to everybody.
Who you did this to?
Dylan, Caden, Dante, and the whole video.
I can't wait. You gonna post it on social media? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. I'm like, bro, what you mean was wrong with your truck? Man, take it to the goddamn shop.
No, ain't nothing wrong with it. I was lying.
Oh shit, bro. You Let me see you.
Alright, this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more.